Welcome back to Indus Technologies with one more video in which we are going to learn how to install MySQL in our system. So to download MySQL, I will come directly on Google. So go to type here MySQL download. After writing here MySQL download, I will find this link, MySQL downloads. Click on this link. You will reach on the this website and scroll down and you will find this link, MySQL community GPL downloads. Go to click on this link, then go to this MySQL community server. Click on this, then you can select a particular whichever operating system you are using on your system. In my case, I am using Microsoft Windows, so I will choose this Microsoft Windows. Then you can find this Windows x86 in my case. So you most probably you can use this MSI installer. So where you will find this MSI installer, click on download, then go to this link, no thanks, just start my download. My download has been started. It will take few minutes. You can see my download has been finished. Now I will just open this. I will double click on this. So I will directly hit this run option. So my installation has been started, but I am coming up with this error. This application requires latest version of Visual Studio 2019-64 redistributable. Please install it. So just I will take a screenshot of this. I will get a link from ChatGPT, because otherwise I have to manually type this in the Google, so I don't have that much time. I will just take the screenshot and I will open ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste this link here, paste this photograph, this screenshot here, and upload this and start prompt. I have got the link. I have just put this screenshot here, what I am getting the error. This has given me the link from where I will get the latest version of Visual C++ redistributable. So I will click on this. It is starting downloaded. It has been downloaded. I will double click on this, click on run. I agree and install. It will prompt you to restart your system. It is my request that you should restart your system after installing this. Now I will go back to this. Now click finish. Again I will open in my downloads this MySQL, which I have earlier downloaded. I will again double click on this. So click on run. It is, you can see now it is not prompting again to install Visual Studio C++. So directly I will click on next. I accept, next. Here we have typical custom and complete. We have to click on complete. Now I will click on install. Now I will wait. Now we have this option run. I will click on this run. I will make sure that it is been selected, run MySQL configurator. So I will click on finish. After running my SQL configuration, it will prompt me to, it will directly show this screen where I will click on next. It is the drive where you want to save this. I don't want to change here, so I will click on next. Port number is 3306. It is okay and click next. Now it is prompting me to choose a password, root password. I will choose any password. I will type 12345. Here I will type, re-enter this password 12345. Next. Then I will again click next, next, next. Now I have to execute these one by one. So I will click on execute. These are executing one by one. You can see here all are executed. Now I will click on next. Click on finish. Now I want to check, is this SQL installed on my system. Here go to this, type here MySQL command line client. So this MySQL command line client, I will click on this. So it is prompting me to give a password. You remember I have set a password for this 12345 root password. I will apply the same here. So I am able to run my SQL on my system. So I will write here a command, show database. It is showing me which database is stored in your system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Indus Technologies.